Are you in your 40s and wondering how you can age like fine wine? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the secrets of healthy aging that you won't want to miss. Stick around, because what you'll discover might just change your life. From the foods that can add years to your life to the surprising habits that might be aging you faster, we've got it all. Stay tuned. Let's kick things off with the fuel of life, food. Ever wondered why some people seem to age slower? The answer might be on their plate. Here are the top 5 anti-aging foods you should be eating right now. But wait, number 3 will shock you, so keep watching. 1. Berries, packed with antioxidants, they fight off free radicals that cause aging. 2. Nuts, full of healthy fats, they keep your heart young. 3. Green tea, a surprising one, but it's rich in polyphenol that protect your skin. 4. Fish, omega-3 fatty acids in fish like salmon promote brain health. 5. Olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet, known for longevity. Now, let's get moving. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good for years to come. But do you know the one exercise that's a game changer for people over 40? We'll reveal it in just a moment. 1. Strength training, builds muscle and bone density, crucial as we age. 2. Yoga, enhances flexibility and mindfulness. 3. Walking, don't underestimate it. A daily walk can do wonders for heart health. 4. The game changer, swimming, low impact and works the whole body, perfect for those over 40. Healthy aging isn't just about the body, it's about the mind too. Coming up, the simple daily habits that can keep your brain sharp and young. You won't believe how easy it is. 1. Meditation, even 10 minutes a day, can boost cognitive function. 2. Reading, keeps the brain engaged and learning. 3. Social connections, stay connected with friends and family, it's vital for emotional well-being. 4. The simple habit, gratitude journaling, writing down what you're thankful for daily, can improve mood and perspective. Remember, a healthy mind leads to a healthy life. Want to know the secret to youthful skin after 40? It's not just about expensive creams. We've got the insider tips that dermatologists swear by. And the best part? It won't break the bank. 1. Sunscreen, protects against harmful UV rays. 2. Moisturize, keeps skin hydrated and supple. 3. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol, they can age your skin prematurely. 4. The insider tip, vitamin C serum, dermatologists swear by it for brightening and tightening the skin. Invest in your skin, it's going to represent you for a long time. So there you have it, the secrets to healthy aging for your 40s and beyond. Age is just a number, it's how you feel that counts. Until next time, stay vibrant and healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.